Identity theft. We know about this one, right? So any sort of legal fees, lost wages, any expenses that could be related to identity theft. That is something most companies do offer as an endorsement. Systems protection. So as we talked about in the beginning, there's going to be a difference between a warranty and an insurance policy. And what we're talking about is your HVAC, your AC unit, electrical, plumbing systems. Typically, those are not covered by a homeowner's policy. Those are going to be a warranty. However, some companies in some states do offer a home system protection endorsement. So keep that in mind. And if it's something that you can offer to your policyholder for $1 a month, it increases your quality as an agent. So keep that in mind. Okay. Not all companies, but some also offer a green update endorsement. So this is the kind of like you updated your home eco-friendly, but there was damage that happened. Any sort of green alternatives. Sometimes you can get an endorsement there. Some people get cuts from their state, some tax benefits. So again, that's an endorsement not offered everywhere, but keep your eyes open for it. You can also get extended replacement cost. So extended replacement, it's going to be like granite countertops, right? Anything that was upgraded from your home. If somebody had, redesigned their home or had it remodeled, this is going to be an endorsement you want to be aware of. Extended replacement cost. It is the above and beyond of dwelling coverage A. Okay, that above and beyond. Now, keep in mind, availability of endorsements are going to be completely dependent upon the insurance provider, the location, and it's always a good idea to discuss these with your policyholders to determine their needs, see if it's something that they even need at all.